An agent can search for a case using DCM's powerful search capability. For example, upon receiving an email or phone inquiry from a customer, the agent can search for their case information using the Search Cases option. Clicking on this option will open a search screen, where search results are presented on the left, and there are a series of fields on the right that can be used to filter the information presented. For example, should the agent wish to view complaints in certain states, they navigate to the State field and select the one or more options of the states they wish to view. After selecting this field and other fields that can be added to the search, clicking the search button will then present the refined list on the left. Should the agent wish to save the search that they've prepared on the right hand side, clicking the Save Search button will enable them to give that search a name, save it, and have it available for future searches without having to complete all these fields every single time. With the information on the left, the agent can sort the information presented by clicking on column headers. They are also able to move columns around to suit what they're looking for. There is also the ability to switch columns on and off as required. Should the agent wish to take a copy of the search information results they have refined, clicking the Export button will produce a Excel version that they can take away from the DCM and view independently. When the agent has located the case that they're looking for, simply clicking on the link will open that case in its own separate tab. This allows the agent to open one or more cases without losing the information that they've worked to get on this particular screen, until such time they find the case or cases that they are looking for. Should the agent need to create a new case because the results of the search haven't turned anything up, this can also be done from this screen by clicking on the New Case button, selecting the type of case that needs to be done, and completing the information to launch it.